Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs. A customer hired us to remodel their existing bathroom. What we did is we jackhammered out the existing drain and moved it over. We also, folks, installed a new shower valve here. What we like to do is we'll run the valve, make sure everything's working on it. We also installed new grab bars. So we've got a new backhand for that. We did a drywall patch here because it has an existing 4-foot shower. So we're making it a 5-foot shower. You can see it right here. Get ready to set the unit. We'll also be installing a new toilet, new sink, new vanity, a new light, and new exhaust fan. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your bathroom remodeling at your home or your office. Have a great day and thanks for watching our video. More than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Bye for now. Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Remodeling. A customer hired us to remodel their existing bathroom. We installed new tile, new base, new cabinet, new medicine cabinet, new light, new exhaust fan. This is a really nice one. It's 140 CFMs. So it's twice as big as the normal one you get. We also installed a new toilet. And originally this was a 4-foot shower, so we took out the framing and we put in a 5-foot enclosed shower. New valve, new glass doors, everything's brushed nickel. What's nice about this enclosure is it has a removable bench. You can work on this side or this side. We also installed a grab bar. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your bathroom remodeling. Have a great day and thanks for watching our video. More than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.